Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Cassandra. Today I have a quick fragrance haul. So if you want to see exactly what I got, please continue to watch. Okay, we are back. I have 3 fragrances that I recently purchased. And all I'm going to do is open up the package, show you what it looks like, sniff it, and may tell you 1 or 2 things that I'm smelling, and that's it. But if you want an in-depth video, an in-depth review of any one of these fragrances, please comment in the bottom section of this video. Okay, let's start with the first fragrance. Dolce&Gabbana Garden. Yes, I've had this for a minute, but I just hadn't had time to do a video on it. So I said, hey, let me first do the haul. Yes, so let's open this up. I like the fact that it gets the name right here, Dolce&Gabbana. And this is a 75 milliliter, and this is a EDP. Okay? Check it out, check it out, check it out. I love the fact that it has flowers in the inside. See the decor. And this is the beauty. And this says Dolce&Gabbana Garden. And garden is in green. Look at the black bow. And look at the flowers, pink. I mean, I love it. Let's check it out. Now, the name is deceiving. It says garden. You would think it was a garden. I mean, I guess it kind of, you would think it was a garden of flowers, but I don't, Now, I smell oranges, magnolia, vanilla, it's something that making it nutty, creamy. Yeah. Great. You better get it. Number 2. Prada candy. Yes, I finally purchased Prada candy. I had a tester, but I just would never purchase it. Why? I don't know. Just didn't. But I decided to go ahead on and bite the bullet. So, let's check it out. Now, this is a 50 milliliters, which is a 1.7, and this is also an EDP. And this, y'all, this is the bottle. This is a beautiful bottle. Beautiful. Let's just go ahead on and spray it. Because like I said, this is not an in-depth review. Just sniffing, showing you what I bought. Sniffing, say a couple things. Go ahead on with it. Okay. Now in this, I smell the vanilla. Let me spray my own. Caramel, vanilla, caramel, and musk. Very interesting. And the last purchase I made is my Burberry Black. I had been talking about this one for a minute. I also had a tester on this one. And I kept saying, nope, 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 nope. I wasn't gonna purchase. I kept saying, no, I'm not gonna purchase. I'm not gonna get it. I'm not gonna get it. But hey, I'm a woman. I can change my mind. As Bobby Brown said, that's my prerogative. Because that's my prerogative. Okay. Let's see. This is the bottle. I mean, it is beautiful. Isn't it, y'all? Beautiful. This just, don't spray this. I mean, this is a beautiful bottle. Okay. Let's spray. Now this one, is warm and sexy. I smell jasmine, amber, patchouli. Woo! Y'all ain't got to say nothing in the comment section about this one. I'm doing a review on this one. This is gorgeous. Wow. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for this haul. Like I said, this was just a quick haul of 3 fragrances that I recently purchased. Whew. I don't know what to say. But out of these 3, the number 1 fragrance I have is my Burberry Black. The second one is dolce&gabbana Garden. And the third one is Prada Candy. So like I said, if you want me to do an in-depth review on any one of these, please comment in the bottom section of this video and I will do it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.